Are you ready to go?
A little bit.
You ready to go?
I need a charger.
Well, we gotta start the truck first and let her warm up. Get a nice little cold start.
This is recording.
Yeah.
Hybrid.
It's a hybrid. All right, Eric, please explain to me what is going on here.
I don't know. We're just talking. Just a tip. I don't know.
It's just a tip. All right, this is what we're gonna expect today. I'm still telling you, Eric, this will still be a great daily. You're not feeling it though.
I don't know.
It's because fat guys in little cars.
Yep, fat guys.
Fat guys, little cars.
So I'm gonna get a little car. I want my Del Sol back.
Yeah. Look at it, there's a Stinger. These are pretty, I like them. They're pretty nice.
Oh, daily.
Well, yeah, daily. The G2s are fun, the all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
But, yeah, it's not the supercars we're used to, but those are really fun to drive. I remember I almost bought one of these. They had one on the lot when I was going to buy my Taurus. I bought my Taurus.
Yeah, I remember one friend had one, and that thing had the longest shift in the world. It was like first gear, second gear, third gear.
Yep. There you go, R7. Right-hand drive too. All right, Eric, when we get this RX-7, what will we do with it?
We're gonna drive it.
Of course we're gonna drive it. Well, how would you customize it?
Lots of different ways. I don't know. First off, we do an exhaust, make it scream, do a tune, bigger rotors. I don't know.
Of course, we got a body kit too.
Yeah, possibilities are endless. I love it.
Yep. This is gonna be amazing. GTR or the McLaren? Seven GTR. Those things are so nice.
I need to put a bucket seat in it.
He's trying to be a sleeper. Come here.
With those tires, you cannot be a sleeper.
He just wants you to think it's a Lancer.
Hilarious.
But then as you go to the front of the car, you learn different and look at the tires.
Oh yeah. That is hilarious. That is funny as hell. He's gonna die or is it exhaust? We can actually pick one of those up for a good price. Those would be fun to drive.
That almost sounds like a 3/8 spot.
Yeah. did it.
I know. You always gotta keep your eye on Mustangs.
I know. That wasn't a Mustang.
I know, but
That
I
was-
was recording the Mustang, and
Yeah.
you never know.
Legos! Why is it?
I thought he was going to do a burnout in the middle of the road.
I know, I thought he was going to do a donut or something.
Oh no, it's a GTR!
There you go. Launch it! Don't hit me! He's like, where's everybody going? Oh, he's back!
Oh, he's back! He got outdone!
His wife gave him permission. There you go, Eric. Dixon. Get them, Dixon.
That thing gets it.
There's people over there.
Elevens.
Come on, you're fucking on my shot.
Whoop his ass. Uh-oh, they're turning into a parking lot up here. Oh, it's all on there, yeah.
So they hit it a little bit, or?
Oh, we got the whole thing. Like, he clipped it coming out.
Are y'all gonna pull?
¿Estás bien o qué? Hey, move the truck, move your truck, move your truck. Move your BMW.
Who the fuck is this guy?
I don't know.
That guy's fucking stupid.
He almost fucked that dude's car
He
up.
almost totaled that car.
Yep. I don't know.
I think pretty sure he's hopping out.
Or he's got the cops coming.
Now he's over there acting like he didn't do nothing.
Guy comes again. He already hit a Camaro on the way out. Now he almost took out a Lancer. Now he's going out doing some other crazy stuff.
Dude, this is crazy.
It is.
This guy is, he's on something. I don't know.
I was waiting for him to take out that Lancer, Eric.
And then old boy down there, he's got something in his pocket for him if he comes back.
Yep. One way to end the vlog.
Okay, see, I know I said we need to come to more like non-supercar, hypercar car shows. And this is kind of the reason why, but then it's kind of the reason why we don't come to these. So you gotta take what you can get.
Yep.